Let's find out, though, not where things have been, but where they're going. And bring in Brian Jones, portfolio manager at Neuberger, Berman. I mean, I don't know if there's any segment, Brian, more rate sensitive in the market than yours. Do you feel like all the sort of rate pain has been done?
Yes. Well, thank you for having me today. And yes, I think that a lot of the rate pain has been priced into REIT securities. Our benchmark is down about 30% year to date, and we see REITs as trading at about 25% below our view of net asset value, which is the intrinsic value of the real estate a REIT owns. So even if you get some further declines in commercial real estate prices, a lot of that pain is already reflected in REIT valuations, and we see a lot of attractive opportunities to add names at attractive yields, names with resilient cash flows, and names that we think will grow in the coming years.
So we're looking at like an American Tower. Now, I don't know much about the cell phone tower business other than I don't think cell phones are going away anytime soon. If anything, we're just going to build more and more and more for 5G, 6G, 42G, whatever it turns out. So it sounds like what you're saying is, Brian, is that American Tower and other names like it just got literally flushed, almost panic selling below, to your point, some intrinsic real estate value.
Yes, REITs have been closely tied this year to changes in interest rates. And some of that makes sense because if the cost to borrow has gone from 3% to 6% in the course of a year, that's going to have an impact on how much investors can pay for real estate assets. But what we think has been overlooked is companies with resilient cash flows, even in a slowing or negative growth economy, companies with balance sheets that are well positioned to endure a change in interest rate environment. And a company like American Tower, the demand is driven by the rollout of 5G technologies, by the cellular service providers, and we don't think that those trends are going to change even if there is a recession. You know, we will continue to use our cell phones even if economic growth slows, and the service providers really need to improve their services. They've bid billions of dollars for spectrum to roll out 5G, and we expect that those CapEx dollars will really benefit American Tower and other cell tower REITs.